Hi, my loves. Miriam here at Miriam's Fussy Hair Care. You are welcome. I missed everybody here, so it's been long. I think I've not been making content for some time because your girl has been sick. From being sick, life happened. It kept kicking me left, right, and center. But I am back. I am back. And during the time that I was sick and life was happening, I neglected my hair like hell. So for today, pardon me coming on camera looking like this because why not? Why not, guys? All right, hello there. Actually, in case you have newbies here, just in case, let me, behave like a normal person. Hello there. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Miriam. I do fussy hair care videos. I teach you how to grow hair. I teach you natural remedies. I teach you how to take care of your skin. We do a little bit of everything. So, in case you're interested in such content, become part of the Nkosi Kazi family by hitting the subscription button and also turning on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time that I upload a new video. Normally, I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays. But when life happens, I go missing for a while. But as long as the notification bar is turned on, you will see me when I get here. So let me not waste much of your time and get straight into today's video. Okay, so in today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve a super simple cute bun. Yes, for work, school, and any other occasions. So yeah, let me not do a lot of talking because I missed you guys. I'll be talking. If I don't hold myself, I'll keep talking. So let's get straight into today's video. What you're going to need is Eco Styler gel. Yes, I don't want this bun to be slick, so I'm just going in with Eco Styler. But normally I would go with Iso Plus or the Star Styling Dreads. But because I'm not going for a very slick bun, I'm using the Eco Styler. You also going to need brushes. But above all, if you have 4C hair, you will need this one. This one is a lifesaver because it's going to go down to your scalp and push everything into a bun easily. Okay, good. Next, for this style, I'm not using water. I'm not going to spritz my hair with water after spending 2 days trying to stretch it using the African threading method. So I think these are all we're going to need. I'll also using some braiding hair, but that will come later, so I'm going to show you that later. For now, let's focus on putting my hair in, I don't know if it's a high ponytail or a high bun or whatever, but for the rest of the video, let's go into voiceover.
Alright, so we're starting off with that ponytail holder. I am just going to create the framework of this bun. I am going to make a small bun between my head, considering where I want it to sit. So yes, after I have figured that out, I am now going to tie a loose bun so that it can be easy to work with my hair. I do not want to drench every strand of my hair in gel, only the outer parts of the hair. That's the reason why I first went in and made the loose bun. Next, we're going in with that eco gel that smells amazing, by the way. And then I'm going to apply it around my head generously. And then when I am done applying it, I'm going to go in with the brush. The brush. I call that the brush because it looks stubborn fussy hair. So I'm just going to go in with that and sleek everything down, making sure that I even reach my scalp. But I am very careful and gentle not to scratch my scalp because yeah. Next I'm going in with that brittle brush. Chizongo, guys, chizongo. And then the soft brush last to make sure that everything lays intact, and as it will be drying, it will dry the way I want it to. So I'm just going in on the front section too and equally slick everything down. So I am using 3 brushes: the hard brush, the guys, Chizo, is it Bristol Kaya? But you get what I'm saying. You get what I'm saying, guys. Yes. So I'm just going to tie that bun there using my ponytail holder. Make sure that if you do not have a ponytail holder, use threading hook, but don't use a ponytail holder that has those tomato thingy. Try never, actually not even try, never ever you use those ponytail holders with the metal attachments. Always use these ones that are silk everywhere. So I got those from Golden Oaklet. Mostly they come in a packet of 3 for 5 kwacha. Next, we're going in again with the echo gel around the edges, just to make sure that the edges are brushed. Those who've been following me for a while know that I had lost my edges, so they are just growing back now. Something happened health-wise, but yeah, I had lost my edges, but now I am growing them back. So don't worry, in case you're wondering what's happening to my edges. Yes, you can watch my previous video to know what happened to them. So yes, now we continue. When I'm done, I'm just going to roughly place that bun away. I did this at night, on a Friday night, so I am just going in with my silk scarf and lay everything flat as I go to bed, because we do not want the hair unraveling in the night. Yeah, so once I'm done doing that, I went and wrapped a satin bonnet on top of that. That's how I slept. This is the next morning after I did my face and everything. I came and now finished the bun. So I am using the Marley braid color number 1. Marley braid color number 1. If you're in Zambia, you can find it in any cosmetic store. They are usually found everywhere. Prices, I'm not sure depending which town you're in, but I got mine at 70 kwacha. This is like a quarter of the whole pack that I used. So I'm just going to keep wrapping it around my hair just to make sure that it matches and it sits securely. So you can just play around with it depending with what you're going for. I wanted a messy kind of a bun, but that looked nice, so this is what I was doing. Next, I went in with my ORS olive ocean and sprayed it just to make sure that my hair was looking, snatched and everything. We are going to church, we want to look pretty, it's adventure day to day, so why not? So this is the final look. I just went in and accessorized because why not, guys? So I just went in and put that hairband there just to make sure that it looked cute, and I think it did look cute. My hairstyle stayed intact, guys, the whole day, and I really loved it. In case you do love this video, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye. Mwah, mwah, mwah.